DJI is about to make a major move in the drone world, with what could be its most ambitious release to date, the DJI Avata 360. Recent FCC certifications have confirmed that the company is gearing up for launch, and excitement across the drone community is reaching new heights. The filings reveal two distinct model numbers, which usually point toward different bundle options or battery configurations. This move suggests DJI is pushing to release the Avata 360 sooner rather than later, possibly in response to looming US drone restrictions. Unlike traditional FPV drones that focus purely on flight dynamics, the Avata 360 is shaping up to be a hybrid machine, part FPV drone and part 360 camera system. Reports claim that it will allow pilots to switch between modes through a smart gimbal rotation of 90 degrees. In FPV mode, only the forward-facing camera is active, while a rear lens stays hidden, explaining why early prototypes didn't show any obvious 360 setup. According to multiple leaks, the Avata 360 won't just be an incremental upgrade, it could redefine DJI's compact drone lineup. The drone is rumored to carry dual 1.1-inch sensors, capable of capturing true 8K 360 video at 50 frames per second. When switched to FPV mode, it's expected to handle 4000 at a blazing 120 frames per second, providing ultra-smooth, cinematic results even at high speeds. A powerful 67 watt-hours battery, up from 31.7 watt-hours in the Avata 2, could extend flight times to over 25 minutes while delivering the extra juice needed for 8K recording. The Avata 360 is also expected to feature DJI's upgraded O4 transmission system, stronger obstacle sensing, and advanced flight safety features, making it more reliable and stable than ever. In terms of pricing, rumors suggest the Avata 360 will land at around 6,899 yuan, roughly $975. The package is expected to include 3 intelligent flight batteries, each offering around 20% more capacity than the Avata 2 batteries. A travel-friendly kit will include a charging hub, air propellers, and a compact carrying case, keeping everything neatly organized for creators on the move. The drone will support multiple controller setups, from DJI's latest flight goggles and FPV controllers to the standard RC to remote. The first leaked photos of the Avata 360 surfaced back in May, showing a prototype being tested outdoors. While the initial images were blurry, enhanced versions revealed a noticeably sleeker, more aerodynamic design. The drone's body appeared slimmer and longer, with the top portion lowered almost to rotor level, likely to avoid showing up in 360 footage. A slightly extended rear section helps balance the lighter front, and the drone's soft gray finish matches DJI's latest generation of aircraft. One curious detail missing in early prototypes was a visible top lens, suggesting DJI was intentionally hiding its biggest feature during testing. Speculation grew even more intense in August when a new competitor, the anti-gravity 360 drone, was announced, claiming to be the first true 360 drone and planning to launch in January 2026. Many wondered if DJI would let another company dominate such an innovative category. Soon after, no leaks revealed a small dome on top of the Avata 360, believed to be the concealed 360 lens, hinting that DJI may be preparing to separate models, one for 360 recording and another dedicated to FPV flying. For the first time, DJI seems ready to merge two worlds, immersive 360 capture and agile FPV flight, into a single platform. Earlier confusion arose when leaked photos were mistaken for the upcoming Avata 3, but it was later confirmed that those images showed the Avata 360 in FPV mode. DJI's clever engineering uses a rotating gimbal to protect the lower lens by flipping it up during flight, keeping the 360 system safe and hidden. It's a smart, compact design that combines DJI's experience in both drone manufacturing and advanced imaging. After the success of the Avata 2, this hybrid design feels like a natural evolution, giving creators both speed and complete environmental capture in one drone. Promotional materials that surfaced online have seemingly confirmed the Avata 360's two operating modes. In full 360 mode, both lenses, one facing up, one facing down, work together to capture everything around the drone, creating a seamless, invisible drone effect. In FPV mode, the gimbal rotates to focus on a single front-facing lens, ready for fast, agile flying. Each lens reportedly offers a 180 field of view in 4K resolution, which AI then stitches into crisp 8K 360 video. FPV mode could push 5000 video at 60 frames per second and capture 30 megapixel stills, while the full 360 mode might support up to 120 megapixel panoramic photos. The drone is expected to include 128 gigabytes of internal storage and micro-SD expansion, with flight times around 25 minutes depending on the mode. Performance aside, DJI is also emphasizing safety and smart flight features. The Avata 360's compact camera block closely resembles the design of DJI's Air 3, scaled down to fit the smaller drone body. Insiders are already comparing it to a mini Air 3 in terms of image quality and sensor performance. Interestingly, leaks suggest that DJI may have tested a vertical dual-lens layout instead of the previously expected horizontal setup. This vertical stack could help with balance and aerodynamic efficiency while providing more natural footage alignment. The top lens may act as a wide 24mm equivalent, while the second lens could function as a short telephoto or 2x zoom for flexible shooting. Further testing footage showed DJI comparing its new pocket for camera system alongside the Avata 360, evaluating exposure, color science, and stabilization. The pocket for prototype displayed brighter visuals, improved contrast, and what looks like new color profiles, suggesting DJI's next wave of devices may share a unified imaging system. Early interface screenshots also reveal a cleaner UI design, though still in prototype form. The release timeline has become clearer as well. While early reports hinted at a January 2026 debut, new information points to an earlier launch, possibly December 18, 2025, likely to avoid no FCC wireless restrictions. The drone's estimated retail price is expected to fall between $699 and $799 depending on configuration, which feels appropriate for the technology it packs. Overall, the DJI Avata 360 looks set to revolutionize hybrid drone design. By allowing seamless switching between immersive 360 filming and responsive FPV flight, DJI is giving creators unprecedented creative freedom. Its powerful battery, upgraded sensors, enhanced safety, and AI-driven image processing make it one of the most capable drones in its category. For professionals, it offers a cinematic powerhouse that can handle everything from action sports to immersive aerial tours. For enthusiasts, it promises a new level of fun and flexibility without compromising on quality or performance. The Avata 360's design reflects DJI's ongoing effort to merge portability with professional-grade results. The drone's vertical dual-lens setup and rotating gimbal allow it to adapt to any filming style, whether chasing fast-moving subjects or capturing breathtaking panoramic shots. With built-in support for vertical video formats, it's also tuned for modern social media creators on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. In short, the DJI Avata 360 isn't just another drone, it's a fusion of speed, stability, and cinematic potential. Its combination of high-resolution imaging, advanced flight controls, AI-assisted 8K stitching, and flexible design makes it an all-in-one creative machine. With an early release expected and strong competition looming, DJI seems ready to reclaim its dominance by setting a new benchmark for FPV and 360 hybrid drones. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an aerial adventure enthusiast, the Avata 360 promises to deliver a thrilling blend of precision, creativity, and cutting-edge technology, solidifying its place as one of DJI's most exciting innovations yet.